Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix NFC reader not working on iPhone. There's a few things that you can follow to fix this issue. First, you just need to go to the control panel and make sure that you are connected to your internet. If the connection is low or weaker than before, that it's probably for the causing that your NFC reader is not working on iPhone. So you can just give a quick refresh for your network to your network. You can just tap on this airplane mode and it will turn this airplane mode on your device. Then you can turn it on again to turn it off on your device. So your Wi-Fi connection and mobile data will restart after turning off this airplane mode. Then you can just try to use the NFC reader on your iPhone, or if the issue persists, then you can just do a manual scan from your shortcuts. If you don't have the shortcuts application on your iPhone, then you can just download it from the App Store. Now go to the automation and tap on new automation here. Now search for NFC. Here it is. Now tap on this scan button, this NFC tag with the scan button. Tap on this scan button and your phone is ready to scan the NFC tag. It will actually read the NFC manually if you hold your phone near the NFC tag. So if it's not working, so you just need to hold on your power button and the volume up button here together, and you will find the power off button here. You can just slide this power off button at the right side to power off your device, and you just need to turn it on after a few seconds to refresh, to give a quick refresh to your device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.